In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the 200 Simple Moving Average, or SMA, in TradingView. This is a fundamental task for any trader looking to utilize one of the most popular indicators for identifying trends over a longer period. Let's dive right into the process step by step and ensure that you've got everything set up correctly. First up, you'll want to have your TradingView chart open. Once you're ready, head directly to the top toolbar where you'll find the Indicators button. Alternatively, if you're a fan of shortcuts, you can simply press the / key. This will achieve the same result by bringing up the Indicators search window. Now, in this search bar, type in Moving Average. You should see a list populate below. Look for Simple Moving Average, SMA, which is a built-in feature. Once you click on this, you'll notice that a new line will appear on your chart. This line represents the simple moving average, but right now, it's set to the default length, which isn't what we need. The next step is customizing this line to represent the 200-period moving average. Hover your mouse over the SMA label that's typically found on the upper left of your chart, and you'll see a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open up the Settings menu. In the Settings, you'll first land on the Inputs tab. Here, you'll find the option labeled Length. This is where you need to change the number from whatever the default is to 200. This setting reflects the number of periods the moving average will consider, which in our case gives insight into the price trends over the past 200 data points. For most traders using it for long-term analysis, 200 is a significant figure as it smoothens out short-term fluctuations and emphasizes the overall trend. Keep the source setting as close. This is the most common choice, as it bases the moving average on each period's final price, which many traders prefer, for it provides a clear snapshot of prevailing market sentiment. Additionally, set the time frame option to Same as Chart. This ensures that the moving average aligns perfectly with the time intervals you're currently analyzing. Now that we've nailed the input settings, let's move on to the Style tab. Here, you get to choose how your SMA line appears. You can alter the color and increase the thickness for better visibility, ensuring it stands out amidst other elements on your chart. Choose a color that contrasts well with your chart background and adjust the thickness to a level you find easy to see at a glance. Once you're satisfied with the look, click OK. And there you have it. The 200 SMA is now clearly visible on your chart. This seemingly simple line can provide insights into the prevailing trend and help inform your trading strategy. Remember, always double-check your settings to ensure accuracy before drawing conclusions from your chart analysis.